Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. Assam Kavya Kanan, in association with Gaurang Study Centre, organized Katha-Kabita Samaroh, a poetry storytelling program, along with Shikhapith Award today in Central Institute of Technology, Kokrajhar, with many well-known intellectuals from different institutions from Assam, Central India and Nepal. The event was opened by Professor Pradeep Kumar Patra, acting Vice Chancellor of Borland University, later honored by the chief guest Dr. Mohan Parchain, eminent literary, New Delhi. The event was also garnered by esteemed guests such as Dr. Mongol Singh Hazawari, Sahitya Academy winner, writer and Padma Shri awardee, Mr. Rajendra Boral, Associate Professor
into
from Nepal,
attending
Dr.
the
Dhrubajyoti
best
Das,
award
Associate Professor,
in our
Cotton
life, our
University,
family
Dr.
planning.
Padmadhar Chaudhary, Assistant Professor,
Malakapur,
Guwahati
Jisa
University,
Pista family dan
Dr. Anjali
university
Deimari,
সকলে
founder
শিক্ষক
of Boro
আৰু
Women's
আমি
Justice
আমাৰ
Forum,
family
Dr. Banabina Brahma, Associate Professor, Kokrajhar Government College, Dr. Hiroljyoti Singha, Professor, Borland University, Pradeep Chandra Sharma, Advisor, Assam Kavya Kanan, Mr. Joyant Kumar Barman, Advisor, Assam Kavya Kanan, and many more. The event showcased the rich and diverse literary and cultural heritage of the region, as well as the talent and creativity of the young and emerging poets and storytellers. The participants recited their original poems and stories in various languages, such as Assamese, Hindi, Nepali, Bodo, and English, and enthralled the audience with their
मेरा पूरा
expressions and emotions. The Shikhapith
मेरा
Award
पूरा
was
और
conferred to
सौभाग्य
28 of such
जेथे
poets
मोर
and
प्राण श्रद्धा सकल
storytellers.
बेया হৈ গ'ল
Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. Today we are having a literary program over here. Can you elaborate on the program? What is all about?
Actually, it is based on this on prose and poetry, and this is the Assam Kavya Kanan. Actually, it was 2017. It was established, and it was actually a social platform. It was, but now it is not a social platform, and we have completed 6 years, and we have entry in 7 years. And this one last year in Dibrugarh, on to 2nd December, we celebrated this one is 6th anniversary, and now this one we are planning in CIT Kokrajhar, and then this one on behalf of this one. Gaurang Study and this one Assam Kavya Kanan in collaboration we have celebrated this one prose poetry Samaroh, Katha-Kabita Samaroh, and here this one Boro poem, then the Rajbangshi poem, Nepali poem, Assamese poem, multilingual, and this one another this one master stroke. This one is going on. This one Golpo Kotha. This one the famous this one is storyteller Atana Bhattacharya and Mitaledi. This one they will perform this one in Golpo Kotha, and this one various language poem and prose, and this one another new this one what this one who has succeeded life, this one what this one is awesome, this one Shikhapith award. It is 226 family who has succeeded in his life, then he sacrificed their lives for well-being for this one their child, and this awesome Shikhapith award is awarded in 26 families, and this one new this one connection, and this one new link of this one Assam Kavya Kanan.
As the parents of those children who have succeeded in their life. And this is something that even the children forget. And an organization like this has done it, which is an excellent job to do, and for others also to emulate. And this is what my first impression was. They were giving these awards to the parents of uh, from all means this locality and all background, and this is what I found excellent, and this initiative was excellent.
So, sir, is it your first time here in Borland?
I was here around 20 years ago, but this is my second time.
Lastly, what I would like to quickly ask you is, as we see, youths today are not so much into literature or writing, sir. So, what message would you like to give to them, sir?
I think they are into it, but they may have some different theme and some different ways of expressing it. But in universities, wherever I have visited, I have found that many people are into writing. But if you see in general, you may not find the trend. But those who are into it, they are into it.
Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Important question, not on the basis of today's program, but generally, I would like to ask. Right now, yes, there is a consciousness, awareness about higher education. in our society here in Borderland particularly. But then still we see, ma'am, youths are satisfied with the. I'm not saying doing bachelor's is not. It's something very bad, but uh, how we continue doing masters and higher studies. So I think many of us, we are going for higher education, but there are few who say that like higher education is baseless. If you want job, just go for the normal graduation. So what do you have to say on that?
Yes, that I have also heard that many they don't want to go for masters. They think that it's a waste of time. They think that what we have learned up to get the graduation, we have already got there only. We have learned what we have to learn. We are not learning not that much in the masters. So basically, those who aim for the jobs, there are so many options now, so they want to go for job. And of course there are some that they would like to work for a few years and they will go to masters again. That also we cannot deny. But yes, young generation should go to get the masters, um, uh, to do the masters also. And it is not that everyone should go, they have their own choice. That's also true.
It was a nice session, man. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you. Welcome to Eastern Paradigm.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Is it your first time in Borderland?
Yeah, it's my first time to Borderland from Nepal. Yeah.
You're representing Nepal. How is your experience here?
Yeah, wonderful experience. Though it is first time experience, but unforgettable. Quite new and unforgettable one.
Okay, so you attended as one of the guests in today's program. So what would you like to say?
Yes, the program was quite wonderful. It was parents and educators oriented. Parents were respected and they recognized because they gave time and energy for their children, and their children also did well in the examination or in extracurricular activities, and that was recognized by the program organizers. So I cordially, I heartily, by heart, I respect and welcome that program. And my mission was to come to Borderland University to pursue my PhD. So in course of that, I came, and upon that, the my respect, goes to our sir, academic registrar, Pradas sir, and because of him, and I came to attend this mega event also today.
Okay, sir, since you belong to Nepal, and we have so many contributors from India as well to the Nepali literature. So would you like to say about?
Yes, no doubt. There is a contribution from India and from even from Nepal, especially from Sikkim, Darjeeling, um, and let's say Karachi. There is a big contribution to Nepali literature, even in English literature, because we have introduced some courses on both Nepali and English in Nepal also. So hopefully, some are introduced even in India, like Lilbadur Chhetri's Basai, the novel is taught there in Nepal, and perhaps it is also here in India. So Indrabhadur Rai, so dimensional poets like Indrabhadur Rai, Bairagi Kaila, Mohan Koirala, they have their great contribution in even Indian literature. So we share culture, history, literary experiences through textbook and through such kind of face-to-face seminars, symposiums, etc. So this is wonderful platform, plus a kind of conclave, literary conclave, which should grow and groom up in the future too. That's wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
The event was a grand success and received appreciation from all the guests and attendees. It was a memorable day for the organizers, the participants, and the lovers of literature and culture. For more such updates, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.